Well, I think Fame and Muscle Shoals Music is here because we're fiercely independent. We've been doing business with Bank Independent since the 70s, and to know that they've got our back, it means a lot. We've always been there, and it's always just been a phone call away.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your weather, live at 5.
Here's a live look at the Arctic Air Skycam network as we head into the 5 o'clock hour. This is in Lawrenceburg, but instead of looking southwest across the city like we usually do, we're looking back northwest here into the north central part of the county. This is from atop the water tank in front of Walmart, 85 degrees. Keep in mind that sensor's not right at ground level. It's mounted up a few feet onto the tower itself. So it's a couple degrees cooler than what it is right at ground level, especially when you compare it to the airport observations around. 62 degrees is the dew point, so we do have a little moisture in the atmosphere. Southwest wind currently at just 1 mile per hour. You saw that live updating here with our live current conditions. Here's a live look from the University of North Alabama in Florence. We're looking back southeast here down Pine Street in Florence. You see the Science and Tech building here. Off to the right, this is the top Rivers Hall. 86 degrees here, and these sensors are on top of the Rivers Hall building itself, so it's just a touch cooler than what it is down at street level. 63 is the dew point with an east wind currently on top of the building at 8 miles per hour. We see a little bit of a cumulus field here as we look southward. We're on the eastern edge of the deeper moisture that's been popping off showers and thunderstorms to our west so far this afternoon. But after the morning rain and thunderstorms we had over parts of the area, we've been quiet so far this afternoon, but the chance of rain here for the next 24 hours, not completely zero. Temperatures right now across the area between 85 and 90 for most of us. Decatur is the warm spot in the immediate viewing area, coming in at 91. You'll see isolated showers and thunderstorms back into West Tennessee and North Mississippi. Those are generally moving south to southwest, but the low-level moisture that supports that activity does extend over into some parts of southern Middle Tennessee and into at least northwestern Alabama. So as we head into the evening and the overnight, it's not entirely impossible that we may see a couple of isolated thunder showers bubble up across the area, and then a few more isolated thunder showers possible area-wide as we head into our Tuesday. Here's the Futurecast breakdown showing a couple of those thunder showers trying to knock on the door of our western counties. It's going to be a close call as we head into the evening, dropping out of the 80s into the 70s. And then into the 60s overnight. And you see at any time here during the overnight, there could be a stray shower or thunder shower, especially along and west of Highway 43 in southern Tennessee, northwest Alabama, back into northeast Mississippi. I think closer to I-65 and eastward across the area, you're likely to be dry. And this is only a slight chance of an overnight shower or thunder shower here. As we head on through our Tuesday, a couple stray showers around, maybe even into the morning. Keep in mind they're very isolated in nature, and then a couple more pop-up isolated thunderstorms possible anywhere across the area as we head into the afternoon and the early evening. No widespread rainfall, but if you do get under one of these, rainfall could be locally heavy at times, in addition to a few rumbles of thunder and maybe some 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts. Not expecting any big impactful weather. The slightest chance of a stray thunder shower on Wednesday. And then I think we're dry temporarily for our Thursday here with high pressure near the area, mostly sunny skies. And then as we head starting into Friday, we may start ticking back a little higher of an isolated thunderstorm chance, and that increases a little further to what we would call scattered showers and thunderstorms as we head into Saturday and Saturday evening. But no big widespread rain chances around here for at least the next 7 days, if not longer than that. Just isolated, the scattered activity in the spurts here and there. If you do get under one of these downpours, you can get a decent amount of rain like they did in western Lauderdale and Colbert counties and up in Wayne and parts of Lawrence County overnight into this morning. But for many of us, the rain will be uneven, and there could be some people across the area, they get no rain for the next 7 days. Upper 80s to lower 90s as we head here through the next 7 days. Notice it's mainly upper 80s and maybe some isolated mid 80s as we head into the weekend And early next week, as the upper level ridge close to us starts to break down further across the area. Weather where you live tonight, mostly clear, but the slightest chance of an isolated thunder shower or two. Overnight lows into the mid 60s toward daybreak. And then your Tuesday forecast here, hour by hour. Upper 80s to lower 90s, a few spotty thunder showers at any time, but all these lightning icons through the whole day, that doesn't mean it's going to rain all day. That just means that at any time, morning, midday, afternoon, or early evening, there could be one or two stray bubble up thunder showers, but at any time, the chance of rain does not go any higher than 20% for our Tuesday. The same for Wednesday, a 20% chance of a spotty thunder shower. That means most of us likely to stay dry across the area. Thursday, I think we're mainly rain-free. We don't have a rain chance on there. A few isolated thunderstorms possible Friday. Slightly better chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms Saturday. And then model data kind of indecisive on how good the rain chances are Sunday into Monday. For right now, we'll go with isolated. But we may need to bump that up to scattered activity as we get closer, depending on how the model data trends. There's your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 6 o'clock and 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.
You're watching the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel.